that later in the year we are likely to have enhanced rainfall in form of El-Nino, which might affect a number of things, including food security, infrastructure, public safety because of floods and other things, and the supply chain of basic commodities. It may affect our public health situation and so forth and so on. For that reason, again, we want to assure the country that there is no need of panic, and we are engaged. All the ministries, department agencies, all organs of state are engaged to ensure that in the event of the actualization of the prediction by the scientists, the country is prepared and we are not taken to surprise. We will ensure that we mitigate and take action to make sure that we do not have a disruption of a civic order. We don't have disruption of movement of goods and services. We don't have public health concerns that could hurt the public good. And we'll also take preventive action in the traditional areas which are prone to mudslides and landslides and flooding. We'll take preventive measures, and should this happen, we'll take active measures to make sure that we mitigate on loss of human life and public safety concerns.